It's Moa, and I'm here, and you know what it is. It's gonna be a new video, and you know, another video going down, guys. Action. Hey guys, so it's your girl Toby, and you know I'm back with another video. I won't be telling you where I'm at, but I'm sure you can guess by this wonderful view, right? Before we go all into the video, I just want to tell everyone a big thank you for supporting, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, all my subscribers, and to all my new subscribers, thank you, right? So today, you'll see.
Jax Records.
So guys, we're actually here, and the only option we have is to sit at the bar because they said that they're booked. So yeah, we'll be at the bar. Hey guys, so right now I can tell that you know where I'm at. So currently we're unable to be seated because they said that we're seated around the bar area, but there are no chairs. So I'm a bit irritated already, and I'm just here and I'm trying to get somebody to assist me, but everybody seems a bit busy. So let's see what happens. I hope this change or don't influence the experience here. Excuse me. Oh, but she just told me that we will be sitting around here, but then around the bar. Yeah. But she said there was no. Oh, sure. So I got a seat. And let's see how long it goes stand here so somebody offer. Hey guys, so I got my menu.
Yes, so far so good.
And I'm going to order. So I'm going through and I'm gonna see what I'm going to have. I think today I'm gonna have something a bit fancy, you know? Yeah. So let's see what we're gonna have, and you're gonna see it all. I'm gonna try to video it as best as possible. It's a bit full here, is a bit crowded, and yeah, see you. Alright guys, menu. I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I know that I want something nice and tasty and affordable. Hey guys, so I ordered, and so far, anyways, I've ordered, and I've ordered the beef tenderloin with some mashed potatoes, and I've ordered a soup. So I'm waiting for that to come, and let's see how everything is at. It's a bit noisy here, so you might not hear much from me and what I have to say, right? So so I got my appetizer and I'm about to dig in. I'm about to dig in, right? So this soup here is a small soup and it's about $300 or $400. Yeah. So when you get up, you have to drink some soup before you begin, you know? Yeah. The soup, the soup taste is tasting and that one. Alright guys, so I forgot to put on the timer, but we're still waiting for something. We got the soup.
In a few minutes.
In a few minutes. What is in a few minutes? Because the wings can come out anytime. Can it come out now?
You want it to come out? No, but because in the next place to order, I thought it was just in case I think.
No, the wings can come out now. Have a finger food so we don't have gas.
No problem.
And then the food can come. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for my meal and I'm hungry because I really come to these places for hungry now. I end up having no one food, you know, I carry on with food when I eat it when it's hot. Not when it's hot, but you know, when it's fresh. You see me? So I'm waiting. And I have a wonderful view, guys. Amazing view. I love it so much. I'm a nature person, I'm an outdoor person, so this is wonderful.
Later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
That's a muscle because I had it done well done. Next time, they say I need to do it medium rare where they put blood in here. But Raja, if you definitely want to build muscle, you my friends. I got my wine, guys. I got a glass of wine, some yellowtail, and I have some fried candy. So today, let's show me. So, guys, I'm just trying to enjoy. You will hear all about it. I'm telling you, you'll hear all about it. Cheers. Hey guys, so it's Real Jamaican Foodie here and I'm back with my review. So I've tasted the food and I've eaten the food and now it's time to give my review. So based on what you guys have watched, you would know that Pier 1 overall is a place, it's not a place where you would like say it's calm or quiet. It's loud, and if it's somewhere where you want to have a little business meeting, Saturday is not the best day because it's a Saturday today and it was really busy, right? Everyone was all over the place. So that's one. Two, I must big up my waiter, Mario. Big up to him, right? He was really cool. He had a really great sense of humor, which is what I like about him, and he was there to assist us. It's not, just to tell you, it's not the best customer service. I've seen better my last video, yeah, but it can go on. So for customer service, I'm gonna give it a 7.5 for customer service, right? And then I'm gonna go straight into the food. So I had, what did I have? I have the beef tenderloin,
mashed potato,
right, with some mashed potato, and I had I got a side on it where it was some steamed vegetable, and I got some plantain. So guys, I had, we're Jamaicans, so therefore we don't, when you're having beef, the tenderloins, like I was like, I want it done. I don't want it no medium or rare. What you call it? I don't even know.
medium rare.
I didn't want it like that. I want it well done because I didn't want to be eating any blood or anything, right? Because I was trying something different. However, based on my waiter, he let me know that doing it well done would make it a bit dry and hard to cut. So I had that was really annoying. In terms of the taste was well, for one, it never tastes like they had a lot of seasoning on it. So I'm not sure if that's how beef should taste. Like they don't put a lot of seasoning on it, they just put the salt and the pepper. That's okay. But for me, the overall meal, the potato was nice. I like when I go and get mashed potato and it's not the dust thing when they mix together. It's a real mashed potato. So it's real mashed potato, so I did enjoy that. The vegetable was a bit on the overcooked side, so I never really enjoyed it. Overall, the meal coming together, I wouldn't say it was just an ordinary meal. There wasn't anything that popped. The flavor, I couldn't pick out, say me I taste this a flavor here, I never get that from the meal, right? So I'd give the meal a 6 out of 10. Reason why I'm giving it a 6 out of 10 is because the presentation was really good overall, right? What else? The atmosphere, well, if I'm with friends and it's just a day where we chill, Pier 1 is a good place for you to come and chill with your friends. But if you think it's something more intimate and your partner is going to talk and you go, well, nah, I wouldn't recommend that because there's so much noise, there's so much stuff distracting you. So yeah, I had wine, I had the yellowtail, and I had another drink, Luigi. I had that drink and it was really nice. I like it. I like my wine. You can't go wrong with red wine or white wine. You can't go wrong with those stuff, and I really enjoy that aspect. What else do I normally? So for the food, yes. Customer service, yes. The wait time, no guys, I was waiting a really long time for the meal. I'm not telling no lie, but then again they were really busy, so I could understand why I was waiting so long. There was a lot of persons. There were little small groups that are doing their own individual thing. So yes, Pier 1 is a good place for you to come and have your little baby shower, your little party, your little birthday celebration, a meeting. A lot of persons utilize Pier 1 for that, right? So guys, Pier 1 is a really good place. In terms of the pricing of the meal, I paid $6,713 for my meal. I had a serving of wings, I had the tenderloins with plantain, I had a appetizer which was a pumpkin beef soup. What else did I have? I had the wine and the drink. I had 2 other drinks on it. So for me, overall, based on what I had, the price is reasonable, right? For a Jamaican and for my tourist friends, right? So overall, it was $61 US, right? And I believe they work off their own rate, so therefore it depends on their rate and not the market rate, right? So if you are someone, I know enough persons enjoy coming to Pier 1 for their own individual reasons, because if you want to have a drink, yes, you can go there to have a drink. You can go there to get finger food and have a drink and have fun with your friend. You can go there to dine. You can go there if you schedule an event. So Pier 1 is a versatile place, right? So overall experience at Pier 1 for me would be a 7, because like there's so much persons running around, you have so much employees running around, and then you fail to acknowledge certain customers. So that is my downfall about Pier 1. But guys, if you like Pier 1, you can tell me in the comments, right, if you have ever been here. Alright guys, so I do have a challenge for you. So what happened is that I know that it's not about me, but it's all about my viewers. So whether you go over by Instagram, Real Jamaican Foodies, or you comment in the comment, let me know a restaurant of your choice and your favorite meal, right? You can tell me what you like about the meal, and what I'll do is I'll try my best to go to that restaurant when I can, and I'll try that meal as well, and then I'll tell you my experience and what I like about the meal, and see if we have anything in common, right? So you can drop your comments here in the comment, or you can go by Instagram, you can go by Facebook as well, Real Jamaican Foodies or Real Foodies, and you can leave a comment, send me a message or anything telling me the restaurant you like and which meal you like there, and I'll go to that restaurant and try that meal, right? So guys, I really enjoy your support. I really love the frequency, so just continue supporting, guys. Like, share, comment, right? And Real Jamaican Foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? I'm out.